This seared tuna poke bowl is pretty involved, but my goodness is it worth it. The flavors are just incredible. Cook it with friends, makes it more fun. So here are the instructions. First, you're going to make your marinade and marinate the tuna. Next, whisk all the ingredients together for the dressing and set that aside. Next, cook the rice. If you need detailed instructions about how to cook rice, you can see my rice page. While the rice cooks, you'll mise en place all of your vegetables. Chop each one of them up and run them through that lime and vinegar mixture. Then you'll get your steamer ready for the broccoli, but don't turn it on just yet. And now it's time to sear the tuna. I have detailed instructions for how to do this in the recipe. It basically involves heating a cast iron skillet very hot and then coating it with a little oil, and then searing the tuna for about 1.5 minutes on each side. You'll take it out, put it on a plate, cover it, and then dump your marinade into the pan and cook it until it's thickened. It'll take about 2-3 minutes. And now it's time to turn that steamer on while you put the rice in the bowls, coat the tuna with the marinade and roll it in sesame seeds, and then start to put all of the vegetables on top. Finally, drizzle it with dressing and you're ready to eat. Is it involved? Oh yeah. Is it worth it? Totally. Try it and you'll see what I mean.